Hey there, the city of Cape Coral, Florida is known for its waterfront real estate, waterfront homes, and definitely the Gulf access homes kind of take the majority of the attention all the time. But we also have a ton of freshwater canal system homes, and they're connected to various lakes and things like that. And those properties, while they are waterfront, they're usually not in the flood zone, and they're usually quite a bit less expensive than the Gulf access homes, and you can still do a lot of things like fish and kayak and boat and do all those things. You just can't get out to the open water. And actually the average right now freshwater canal home in Cape Coral is selling for right around $450,000. But in today's video, I'm going to show you one that I just took. It's not even on the market yet, but we're listing this one at $349,900, over $100,000 less than the average. And this is a stunningly beautiful home. I'm excited that we got it at this price, and I can't wait to show it to you. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath with a den here with a 3-car garage on a beautiful freshwater canal here in the city of Cape Coral, Florida. So I'm going to get into that in just a minute, but if you're not familiar with this channel, my name is Dustin Guthrie. I'm a longtime resident and a near 20-year full-time real estate broker here in the city of Cape Coral, and I do a video like this every single week on this channel. Today we're looking at some fun real estate, but many weeks, like last week, we're just covering some really useful and good information regarding Cape Coral and Southwest Florida. If you're interested in anywhere in Southwest Florida, maybe you're considering moving to Cape Coral or moving to Fort Myers or something, I want to invite you to hit the subscribe button right there so you can be around for these videos every week. I think you'll get a lot out of them, and I try to just give you a lot of great information, provide some value for you, because I know if I can do that, then you probably will remember me when the time does come and you do need a realtor here anywhere in Southwest Florida. And of course, my contact info is right there on the screen. I would love to hear from you. Call, text, or email me anytime. I'd love to hear about your real estate goals. So with all that out of the way, let's get to this stunningly beautiful $349,000 freshwater canal home right here in the city of Cape Coral. Welcome to 2202 Northeast 18th Street here in Cape Coral, Florida. This home's in a great location just off of Pine Island Road and close to US 41. It's in a really quiet neighborhood, and yet it's only about a 5-minute drive or even a short bike ride away from shopping and groceries and restaurants and medical facilities, all that good stuff. It has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, plus a den or an office up front, and it's just under 1,900 square feet of living area inside, and that doesn't include the 3-car attached garage and the big outdoor living spaces overlooking the waterfront in the back. The home is concrete block construction, and it was built in 2005. So as we walk in the front door here, you can see the front patio is all screened in. That's great not only if you want to kind of sit out here, but also if you ever want to open these front doors up in the winter so you can get a nice breeze going through the house without worrying about the bugs getting in. This house has these tile floors throughout, so there's no carpet or mismatched tile anywhere else. It's all the same in every single room, which is really, really nice. And of course, as you can see, we've got super high ceilings in here, and in spite of this house being 20 years old, it's got a really, really modern open floor plan with that central island kitchen that we'll get to here in just a second. But this right here is the den or the office through these French doors, and it's really spacious. It's got almost a bay window to it, and the natural light coming in from the front here is just fantastic. This would be a great place to put, of course, a desk or something, but also even though it's not listed on the tax records as a bedroom, it does have that closet right here, so this could really be considered a 4th bedroom and used as such if you ever wanted to. And here's the open kitchen and that great room. It's just so spacious right here, and all of these main living spaces in this house point out towards that huge bank of sliding glass doors in the back. So not only do you get all of that natural light spilling into this big open space from those sliders, but you also get that big, beautiful, peaceful view of the waterfront and the big trees out back. And that outdoor space is really the focal point of this property, and so it's designed in here to take advantage of it as much as possible. So the central island kitchen looks a little bit small because it's in this huge open space, but really it's not small at all. It has plenty of cabinet space and some really attractive granite countertops and tile backsplash that really tie in well with the color of the flooring. It has stainless steel appliances and a stainless steel underhung sink in the island, and there is even a recessed pantry here off to the side. So while we're here, let's check out the 3-car garage since the garage entry is just off of the kitchen. As you can see, this is a pretty large 3-car garage. It's fairly deep. It's got some storage above there. Obviously 2 different garage doors with single car garage door and then a 2-car garage door next to it. And then the laundry facilities are out here in the garage as well. There's stacked front loading washer and dryer, and there's also a laundry tub sink in here. This home does have paneled hurricane shutters for all of the windows, and there's also a plug to hook a portable generator into the electric panel so you can run your air conditioning if the power goes out. Okay, so back inside, and this time on the other side of the kitchen is the primary suite, starting with this main bedroom. This bedroom has a recessed ceiling with accent lighting up there, and there's also a French door which provides access out to the outdoor living spaces. And then of course we get into the primary bathroom, and this bathroom's actually a pretty good size. It has both a frameless walk-in shower as well as a garden tub and a separate private lavatory, and then of course it has the dual vanities on the other side. This is also where the primary suite's walk-in closets are located, and there are 2 smaller walk-ins of equal size on either side of this bathroom. Now this is a split bedroom floor plan, so the guest bedrooms and the guest bathroom are on the other side of that central great room on the other side of the house, and this first guest room is toward the middle of the house. And it's really kind of connected to the other guest bedroom via this hallway right here, and this hallway also contains the full guest bathroom. And this bathroom would also service the main living areas of the house as well as the guest rooms. But then you have this primary guest suite in the back, and this is a little bit larger, and it also has some really nice views of the waterfront out back. It's got a French door as well to the outdoor living spaces, similar to what the primary bedroom had as well. There's also apparently an extra fridge in here. You mean you don't have a bedroom fridge in your house? Alright, so now we'll look at these phenomenal outdoor living spaces. I just love it out here. There's this extra large shaded under truss area out back, which looks like it used to be screened in, but now it's been opened up and combined with this extended pavered trellis deck that basically just doubles the size of this space out here. And certainly there's enough room in the backyard here to put a good-sized pool package in if you really wanted it, but even without the pool, this is a very peaceful and livable space back here overlooking that waterfront. And the waterfront itself is great. There's about 80 feet of seawalled water frontage here and a wooden captain's walk dock. And that dock definitely needs some attention and probably needs some new deck boards, but the pilings and the seawall both seem to be in pretty good shape, and those are the things that are usually a little more expensive to fix. So most of the big stuff is already here. And you know, even though this is a freshwater canal system and it doesn't get out to the open Gulf, there's still miles and miles of canals and little lakes connected to this. So you can have a pontoon boat out here or even a jet ski, and of course kayaking and paddleboarding are great. And there's also a lot of great fishing in these lakes and canals. There was a couple of big bass hanging out under this dock while I was here. So there's still a ton of fun to be had on these freshwater canal systems, and man, they're almost on average about $200,000 less than Gulf access homes in terms of prices. So I hope you enjoyed this really quick tour of this brand new waterfront freshwater listing here in the city of Cape Coral, and $349,900 for this property, especially with all the features that it has, the 3-car garage, the 1,900 square feet of living area, the dock, the seawall, all that stuff. I think it's a really great deal even in this little bit tougher Cape Coral real estate market. So if you'd like more information on it, I'm going to put a link to it down in the description. You can check out the listing, or you can just give me a call, shoot me a text. I'll be happy to share more information on it with you, and maybe even take you on a tour of it. I'd love to show you this place because it really is beautiful in person. So thank you so much for being here. If you did enjoy this video, do me a favor and hit the like button, because it just helps me out a little bit. And make sure you're subscribed. If you're not subscribed and you are interested in Southwest Florida, again, we looked at a really fun piece of real estate today, but sometimes we're just covering some really good news or information, and I think you'll get a lot out of these videos every single week. So I hope to see you around in the future for these weekly videos. If I can do anything for you at all anywhere in Southwest Florida, I hope you'll reach out, call, text, or email me. Contact information's right there, but it's also down in the description of this video, and would love to hear from you. But thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you on the next video here in just a few days.
and subscribe. Just kidding.